Hi dear foreign friends, how to find the most suitable RFID supplier? I hope I can give you very useful advice here. Firstly, choose a company with independent R&D and manufacturing, which are very important for the technical equipment, especially for RFID products. At the same time, if the company has very good chip supplier guarantee at this difficult time, it will be very good advantage. Second, a good quality control system. Companies that have passed the ISO 9001 and 14001 will be not bad choice. Again, the different certificates of different export region. CEFCC is the most important and the basic of RFID products. So I must introduce our Hopeland RFID to you. We are a factory that we have the completely R&D, manufacturing and sales of the RFID products more than 12 years. As the unimpinged gold partner, we have stable supply of the newest E710 chips and old R2000 chips supply. At the same time, we have the completely ISO certification system, development R&D, and the RFID automatic testing system, and completely the certificates of products. The latest product get the very good feedback from our customers, such as the Shine Seriously, HH 340, and Sharp Seriously HF 100. Of course, the newest desktop reader, you will like it, is S120. Welcome to test it.